Hello YouTube, and it's arrived. My package from JLC PCB. Not a channel sponsor, but I wish they were. And, ignore that, that's not part of the package. We have my PCBs. And, come on, put an Arduino in here just to try it. There you go, that's the finished board. So this is a combination of all the couple of weeks of work. So what we've got to do now is solder them up. So first thing to do, start with the surface mount stuff, get the motor driver ICs on, solder it in the Arduino, and then we'll give it a test. Some time later, and the soldering is done. So I've put a connector underneath the card. You can see it there, and that's the power going to the top here. You've got the two motors here and here, and they go off to the back. Arduino on board, two motor driver ICs, which are comparatively tiny really. And then the ultrasonic sensor on these cables so it can fold down at the front there. And that's it. So it's got a test program in, so you should light up these LEDs. That's the first test. It should move a little bit, and then the output of the ultrasonic sensor will just be displayed in the LEDs. So we'll turn it on and we'll see if it works. Where's the on switch gone? It's there. Right, ready? Powers up. You have the LEDs, and it should move. Oh no, it goes green, then blue, and then it should move. Oh! Well, that was kind of a success. We had one wheel move. And now we should have output from here as I move my hand closer. Look at that. Oh, it's working. So yeah, so the sensors are being read and being displayed in LEDs. So that works. So that's just the test program. For some reason that wheel didn't move. I don't know why. I mean, we can try doing a reset on it and see if it works. It might be the dodgy wiring that I've done. Reset. There we go. Well, if anything, I can make the lights look pretty. Right, okay. I'll need to play the software. Clearly I've done something wrong, or the wiring is wrong. But I'll have a play with the software and we see if we can get that working. But yeah, apart from the motors, it all seems to be working.